Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 30th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain. The 4 stars jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Yes. This one will be number 7539. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Right. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Then double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1's comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. And 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. And 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solved it again. Without comparing. And I like this one, yes, so we'll do the fix. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.